Welcome back to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New York returns. Wall Street extended its winning streak on Monday, rallying to a sharply higher close as investors awaited crucial inflation data that could provide clues about the duration and severity of the Federal Reserve tightening policy. Energy and technology research helped the three major U.S. stock indexes to touch the week high and notch their fourth straight session of gain, in which growth stocks were slightly favored over value. The Labor Department Consumer Price Index (CPI), expected before Tuesday opening bell this week, main event, and will be scrutinized for anything regarding the number and size of future interest rate hikes from the Fed. CPI is expected to see a little bit of a decrease, said Robert Pavlik, senior portfolio manager at Dakota Wealth in Fairfield, Connecticut. The market is hoping that news translates into smaller rate hike after the September FOMC meeting. Because of that, you are seeing a race on type of mentality today, Pavlik added. On Thursday, Fed Chair Jerome Powell affirmed the central bank remains strongly committed to tackling decades high inflation and that it will keep at it until the job is done. Economists polled by Reuters expect monthly CPI to have contracted 0.1% in August from July, edging down to 8.1% year-on-year, mainly due to the recent cool down of commodity prices. Financial markets have currency priced in a 92% probability that the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) will implement its third straight 75 basis point interest rate hike at the conclusion of next week's policy meeting, according to CMA's FedWatch tool. The market has now fully priced in 75 basis points for September. Pavlik said the market is hoping the next one is 50 basis points and that we'll see a light decrease in rate hikes after that, and Wall Street can live with that. 11 major sectors of the S&P 50 closed green. Energy companies boosted by rising crude prices enjoy the biggest percentage gain. Economically sensitive transport outperformed the broader market, while market-leading megacaps provided the most lift. A 3.9% jump in Apple Inc. share gave the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq their biggest boost days after the gadget maker unveiled update to its iPhone and Apple Watch. Drug maker Bristol Myers Squibb rose 3.1% following the Food and Drug Administration approval of its psoriasis drug late on Friday. Rival Amgen Inc., Nasdaq AMG, and maker of psoriasis drug Otezla slid 4.1%. Twitter Inc. ended the session down 1.8% amid its legal ruling against Tesla in chief Elon Musk for escaping a deal to acquire the social media platform. Car-selling platform Carvana.co had 15.5% higher following Piper Sandler upgrade of the stock to overweight, advancing issues outnumber declining once on the NASDAQ by 3.37 to 1 ratio on Nasdaq, 1.78 to 1 ratio favored advancer. The S&P 50 posted 11 new 52-week high and no new lows. The Nasdaq Composite recorded 47 new highs and 59 new lows. Volume on U.S. exchange was 9.63 billion shares compared with the 10.22 billion average over the last 20 trading days. All 11 major sectors of the S&P 50 closed green energy companies. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.